For the last 10 years, I have turned my hobby of being a YouTuber into a full-time career. And recently, as you guys know, I've also transitioned into becoming a real estate agent, which is also a full-time career in itself. So today I want to show you guys how I've been learning to juggle two full-time careers of being a YouTuber and a real estate agent together, and how I've been structuring my days. Thanks to MSI for sponsoring today's video. We're gonna go show houses today. Got this. So I'm on my way to an inspection. Yeah, that is getting sorted out. We're going to do this buyer intake meeting. What I found with real estate is usually you'll be somewhere around 9 a.m. You know, you're working on your client's schedule and people don't like to show up somewhere at 7 in the morning. So I get to get places by 9 a.m., which is pretty nice. But even though I only have to get somewhere at 9, I actually try and wake up closer to 6 a.m. because I like to have a really nice long morning and I have a lot to do. I'm up. Every morning starts the same for me. I have to make some coffee and take my dog for a walk. This is my favorite part of the day. It is my me time. It's him time. It's our time together. Good morning. Oh. The first thing I do in the morning after grabbing some coffee is open up my laptop and respond to emails. In the past, I had a tendency to let this sort of thing pile up, but now as a real estate professional, that's just unacceptable. So the first thing I do every morning is respond to my email and make sure my inbox is fully clear. This is the MSI Modern Series laptop, and you may know them for gaming, but this laptop in particular is made for people that have a dynamic lifestyle like mine. The Modern is engineered to withstand the high demands of everyday use that combines versatility with high functionality and value. What that means to me is at a good price, you're getting a high functioning computer that is super durable. It also comes in 4 amazing colors, and MSI sent me all 4 colors to try out and see which one I liked the best. I've always liked to embrace my sportier, more active side, and I feel like this color in bluestone does that for me. After checking up on emails, I'll catch up on the newest housing listings. I just think this is fun. This is something that I've been doing every day for the last 2 years because I like to see what's out there. I like to see the new architectural styles coming out, price per square footage, where housing prices have dropped, and overall you really need to know the market really well. And if you just do this every day, look a little bit, it's gonna help you understand the market and just kind of know more intuitively what something costs in what area. Then I start getting ready for the day, and I found my perfect number to get ready is 1 hour and 15 minutes. Every morning I resent how getting ready just feels like a waste of an hour of my day. So one thing that I've been doing to keep myself productive during this time is I will look up real estate exam prep questions, and there's YouTube videos on these, and you can just let them play out. And it's a great way to stay productive while you're getting ready.
Question 11. A buyer and seller agree to wait until the seller's...
One thing that takes me a little bit longer in the morning is just packing up my bag. As a real estate agent and a YouTuber, you need to be prepared for whatever gets thrown at you that day. So every time I pack a ton of stuff with me. I pack an extra change of clothes in case I need more casual clothes or more business professional clothes, some snacks, because oh my gosh, before I didn't bring snacks, you don't have time to eat during the day. You don't. So if you don't pack your own food, you're not eating that day. Definitely packing snacks is so important. And as a YouTube real estate agent, packing up all of my camera gear, different lenses, and having my laptop with me is essential. The MSI Modern Series laptop is lightweight at 2.6 pounds, so it's really not weighing you down, and it has a 10-hour battery life. So I can just charge it, and I know that I can rely on my computer to have the power it needs throughout the day. I don't have to go searching for an outlet. It's really incredible. So on this day, I was going to go show houses to a client. We're gonna go show houses today. So this is my first ever day showing clients houses. So this is exciting. And this can take anywhere from just 30 minutes if you're showing one house, up to about 3.5 hours if you're showing around 5 or 6 houses. So after doing something like this, I might be able to get home and squeeze in a little bit more work on my laptop. Since I'm studying for the real estate exam, I try and log at least 2 hours a day and make this a priority before anything else that I do on the computer. and I just finished the quiz online. And then from there, I'll do something like edit a video. My MSI Modern 14 laptop features an Intel Core i5 processor, and I have to say I've been very impressed with how it is able to handle all the footage that I throw at it. I've been able to edit everything so much quicker and have the most seamless workflow, which has been super key as I keep getting busier and busier. And after some computer work, I went to go shoot a listing before the sun went down. Since we're at the shortest day of the year and the sun sets at like actually 4:30, shooting a listing usually takes around an hour. Guys, there's a big learning curve with being a YouTuber and like being good at getting really good real estate B-roll. What did I do last time? How did I get this thing? I have a stabilizer now. I recently got one. I got this new camera. This is another area where I've really been trying to educate myself more, and I jump at any chance to film a house that I can. Let's check it out. This is definitely the most fun part of the job for me. I get to combine my love for architecture, design, and real estate with my love for videography and storytelling, and it's been really satisfying just to watch my own growth and getting better at filming listings. Typically, if I shoot a listing, I make myself edit it right when I get home. If I sit on the footage and let it get stale, then it's not exciting to edit. But if I immediately open up my laptop and get to editing, then I actually really enjoy it and I get it done super quick, out of the way, easy. Since I've been working on stuff all day, usually around 6 o'clock, if I have nothing that I have to do, that's when I like to take a couple hours for myself to do something fun. So I'll make food, take my dog for a walk, watch some TV, stuff like that. And lastly, I'll close out my day with another study session, either 1 to 2 hours, just kind of like while I'm about to go to bed. Okay, I wanted to show you guys because I get a lot of messages from people that are also studying for real estate. It's like everyone wants to become a real estate agent, and I get it, I'm doing it too. But there's an app called Real Estate for Dummies. It's nice because you can just quickly go through questions all the time. If anyone's interested in that, that's the thing. Okay. And that's kind of a look inside a typical day in my life these days. Like I said, every day is a bit different, so I kind of just took bits and pieces from different days so you could get a look at what it might be like a day in my life. Some days it's all real estate, other days it's half and half, and other days it's just some YouTube stuff. Thanks again to MSI for sponsoring today's video. If you guys are interested in the MSI Modern Series laptop, I'll have the link below so you can learn more about it. Whether you're a YouTuber, real estate agent, CPA, orthodontist, I think everyone can benefit from a laptop that's so versatile, functional, and durable. These days, it seems like everyone wants to create something with photo and video, whether it's on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. So this is a really awesome laptop if you're looking to add creating into your career. As you can see, it really can benefit a career.